Let's move on with this exercise and subtract these fractions. Are you ready?
Oh yes, I am. Let's begin.
Subtract these fractions. 6 5 by 6 minus 2 1 by 6. While subtracting mixed fractions, we subtract the whole numbers and the fractions separately. We subtract the whole numbers first. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Then we subtract the fractions. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6. We see that the denominators are the same for both the fractions. That is 6. We write the denominator as 6. And we subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1 equals 4. This is 4 by 6. So the answer is 4 by 6. I think you've got it now. 4 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 3.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.